Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review PayHOA. PayHOA is an easy-to-use software made for managing homeowners associations, HOAs. It helps board members and property managers keep everything organized in one place. With PayHOA, you can send dues and fees to residents online without needing to print or mail anything. The dashboard gives you a clear view of payments, maintenance requests, and communications. You can easily create and send community announcements or email newsletters to residents. It also stores important documents like meeting minutes, bylaws, and budgets securely in the cloud. The software supports online voting, so decisions can be made even if members are not physically present. PayHOA also helps generate financial reports and track expenses. You can manage violations and send automated notices to homeowners. Residents can log into their own portal to check balances or submit requests. Setting up PayHOA is simple with helpful onboarding support. Overall, it saves time, reduces paperwork, and helps your HOA run more smoothly. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.